Tokuma gabi, mani sankarati, sabosade soda gabi, sabona balla gabi, gabino narbaru gabi, jana pureja gabi, sabogala takarati, jana pureja gabi, sabogala takarati.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Akam jirtan fafayyuma nageenni keessan badhaadha isaaniin jecha Juma Mubarak isiniin jecha ardu oduu gammachiisa oduu bareeda qabadhee isanii dhufee jira. Nam tokkottu jira nam sun maqaan Kijana Fresh jedhaniin sirbii isaallee akkuma isin hammatan dhageettanii dhuguma iyo jina Kijana Fresh akkaataan isaan itti uumanii waan akka malee nama ajaa'ibsiisa. Video tan irratti afaan sadiin dubbachuu fedha. Afaan Kiswahili, Ingilishii fi Kiswahili naasaa, Amaariffaallee xiqqoo tokkittiin naasaa. Gurbaan kunini wardambe noono eessa jechuu fedha MP Isiyooloo Saawudii 2027 jechuu fedha. Maqaan isaallee Kijana Fresh jedhe gad dhufe. Waan mucaa kanaa maani beektaa? Akkuma isan beektanu ani waan politiksiin jaaladhu, politiksiin illee hin deeggaru. Yeroo jalqabaati fi kan mucaa kanaa kan argennaan irrifadheeyyuu okay innillee MP jechuu fedha idee. Kanaafuu istoorii xiqqoo tokkisanii hima. Gurbaan kunini arjaa nama gaarii. Haadman isaallee argee beeka. Haatiman isaallee namdassaa warradansaa. Galat qaba. Galatii inni qabu anaa waya baaggii 50 kiiloo 53 itti kennate lafalaa naman naa kennide kadhadheeni kadiimtu gurraatti tiyyimbeen hayyee jedhe waya taanarraa fuudhee pakka Minisootaa naa geesse shilingii tokkonarraa fudhan. Shilingii agam shilingii tokkonarraa fudhan. So when I saw him that he has a campaign and he wants to be an MP of Isiolo South, inshallah, if it was meant to be, it will be. Yorabbiin isaa qoreef haa taatu fi jedha. Anamma akka nam gariibaa tokkotti ammallee akka tiktokaa tokkotti maaniif ennaani this guy I don't know, it happened in a way that I asked him for a favor. Everybody knows that most of the people when they are going abroad, if you want to give them something to take it for you to somebody there, yani they have a lot of luggage, you know, they don't like it. But for this Kijana Fresh, he's fresh man. This man is the kindest person that I came across. I gave him a bag full of dera or bati, 53 kg. He didn't ask me for transportation money or anything. That is how he helped me. Since he helped me, I felt like I should also do a small video for him to appreciate him, at the same time to tell him that I recognize him. I didn't see his face that particular day. I saw the wife. The wife is the one that received my package. I gave it to the wife. Then the wife helped me to reach it to her husband. Ini kitu yenye imenifurahisha sana kwa sababu hii wakati vile kuko, vile maisha ni ngumu, mtu yani akubebe bagi mzima 53 kg na kulipishi anakutaka kukusaidia. So I salute to our new 2027 MP of Isiolo South, Kijana Fresh. Nimemtambua, mimi nimempitisha upande yangu. Kura yangu atapata. You guys know that I hate politics. I don't love politics. But whatever that I'm speaking has nothing to do with politics. This has nothing to do with politics. The reason why I came up with this picture and I felt like I should talk about him is because of the kindness that he showed me. What matters to me is somebody that respects the way I am and they help me. This is one of the people that helped me. So I felt like I should give it back by talking about him. Even him, he doesn't know my face. Maybe this video may reach him, but he doesn't know me. But I want him to know I am the girl that he helped. I'm so thankful. Ama siniaje mtu wangu? Unajua si pesa. Yani mtu anakubebea kitu 53 kg ni kitu ningelipia almost 80 to 90. Wapi 50 ni pesa kidogo. Alafu mtu anakuchukulia na kupelekea mpaka Minnesota. Na haja kuitisha fare ya hiyo bag. Hii ni kitu kubwa sana. Brother, I thank you so much. If this is your dream, if this is whatever that Allah has written for you, you deserve it. For me, you deserve it. Sijui watu wa Isiolo South mnasema aje. Nami kunadim tugurati timbeni na karikar hiro. You can imagine mtu mwenye anasaidia stranger mwenye ajui anamuomba juu kwa kwenda majuu nimesikia yako Kenya. Naenda nampelekea mzigo kubwa kama hiyo unanibebea bila kunilipisha. Manze kijana fresh, I salute you. I salute you. I salute you. Inshallah, if it was meant for you, may Allah make it easy for you. May you be a good leader because I've seen humanity in you. I cannot say everything about you, but one thing that I've learned from you is your kindness, the way you talked to me with a very respectful manner, and you helping me out. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, my dear brother. It means a lot to me. I didn't forget about it, but I'm so glad. Diro oris yolo aninak mama hamiliti wan politika le guddo mbeku wan politics guddo beku badulle ammona mi kuningarte na mumma isana garsisi kabajadan gargarsadan kanafu yu heddu galati fadda wangar kesani mbeku anini gamkiyani heddu galati fadda galatomi oboleskiya lu umri le nu derati rabbina kasum garte garala fa kasira bisiyakhinu yo wanni husimaltelle. I hope and I know that you're going to change the life of Isiolo South. I hope you will do a good job. I hope this journey will be a journey that Allah has chosen for you, because if whatever that Allah has chosen it for you, it will be easy for you to manage. I see, even if I look at your picture, I see a leadership in you. But Nani, who knows? Only Allah knows if it was meant for you. May Allah make it easy for you. Shabash. Shukran. Thank you so much. Toros. This is MK Collection, all the way from Barite Studio. This is my voice. This is my platform. And this is your boy, Kijana Fresh. Kijana Freshi. Umesikia hiyo? Oh, the song itself is so beautiful. All the best, my dear brother. I wish you the veriest best. May Allah make your heart desire come true for you. I wish you all the best. I will make dua for you. Thank you so much, man. Nime appreciate. Thank you.